Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get in. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
We are in Old Town Louisville, Texas, having some potato chip chicken.
Exactly. It's fried and battered with potato chips. We've never had it before, but we're going to go ahead and dig into this. So let's get into, we want to mention our She's Hot winner because we know you guys have been waiting for it, you've been fiending for it. And our She's Hot winner is
Dua Lipa. Miss Dua Lipa, we want to congratulate you on your win for the She's Hot contest. Now, one thing we do want to say is that maybe they might have messed your style up for your newest ad campaign, but before you look beautiful, and you still look beautiful to this day, because you are hot, a vixen, and you are the winner for the She's Hot contest. We will be getting in contact with you shortly.
Exactly. And for J-Lo, this is a side hot topic, but for J-Lo, we'll keep you guys posted on what's happening with J-Lo. We see she's been hanging out with Mark Anthony recently and, what's his name? Lenny Kravitz, because they're going to be doing a movie together soon called The Shotgun Wedding. So they've been spending a lot of time together, so...
This is very predictable, Dr. Ross.
We'll see what happens from there.
But J-Lo, keep on being you and keep on being in all of these movies. Maybe Dr. Ross and I can be in one of your upcoming films.
That's
For
right.
example, your Shotgun Wedding. These were all of our hot topics and a She's Hot contest winner for today. But Dua Lipa, we want to congratulate you on your win.
Exactly.
Other than that, we'll see you guys in the next installment. Kylie Jenner, get yourself a slice of this chicken. We out.